Imagine. It's me recording. It's so pretty.
It is.
There's the castle that way. Space Mountain. Oh, I love being able to see it all. Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait until we get into the park.
I know, me too.
Because, like, if I don't have any homework and I finish all my homework, that's where I'm gonna go.
I know.
Immediately.
Or you could just bring your homework there and do it.
You know what's funny? I thought about doing that.
The Aloha spirit comes alive with authentic dances, enchanting music, and all you care to enjoy family feast in the spectacular celebration of Polynesian culture. Definitely doing that once. I just can't get over how like crazy expensive Grand Floridian looks. It's huge and it's so pretty.
It does. It just looks so fancy. Because that's where they have their wedding stuff, so you know it's like.
It is a nice night. I should have worn pants. My shorts.
I was wishing I had shorts on that bus.
I know, the bus was so hot.
It was hot.
The Dole Whip cooled me off.
We have to ride all of these and they're all like this in our costumes. This is going to be brutal.
Right. I mean, mine is kind of light.
Yeah.
With my white shirt and pants. It's kind of funny that they choose white for custodial. Because you're picking up all the crap. Oh, I can't get over the castle being right there. There it is. Look at her shine. I just love how you can see it right here.
Well, it's crazy, like, it looks far away, but it's like actually not.
I know.
It's super close.
Just right across the bay. When you get over to this point, you can see the either Main Street or some of the rides, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's nice how they have all these little beaches too.
I've never explored the Floridian.
Oh,
I think my parents have been over here like once for dinner. But like, it was a fancy dinner and I was like, I don't dress fancy.
I know,
Like,
yeah.
I know,
yeah, I know.
I prefer not to.
Here's the bungalows. Oh, and then the monorail's going in over there. So pretty. Main Street. Space Mountain. The boats. And we're at like golden hour now too. It's so nice. Have some good Dole Whip too. We're starting our week off right.
I know.
So nice. I just can't believe people even stay here.
I feel like this is like one of the more expensive Disney resorts.
I know, yeah. These two definitely have to be
Yeah.
in Animal Kingdom World.
But this resort is huge. Like, Poly isn't even that big. It's pretty small.
Yeah.
This resort, though, is like enormous.
Oh, I want a little s'mores kit. That's so nice. I'm loving life right now. It's great. Oh, I think this is where the gingerbread house was. That's so sad. I miss it. Yeah, we'll have to go upstairs too. Just curious to see what's in here.
Everything smells so beachy.
Oh God, you're right. I don't know if there's anything this way. I think those are the bathrooms. You want to go upstairs?
Yeah. Never been upstairs.
Yeah. I think this
I've only
way.
ever been in here for like the gingerbread.
Yeah. Is that the way you get in? Yes. we'll go back down. Here we are. Grand Floridian. We're in the lobby. The Enchanted Rose is right there. There's Enchanted Rose. It's cool to see all the different areas. Tropical Serenade. The water out front. I know. I kind of want to just take one of the buses this week to one of the parks and just stand outside the entryway. Just to look at it. Yeah. Just be like, oh, I'm gonna be here soon this week.
Please, I promise I'm working here.
I know. I can't believe how many people we see and meet though that are in the program.
It's just like there's so many.
We just met that one girl from New York who's in my building.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone's so nice and helpful. It's great.
And like everybody's nervous when you first arrive here.
I know. It's hard to figure out. Oh, there's no path here. It's nice to look out. Yeah. I know. It looked like there would be. Oh, this is a great view. Oh, the castle. I literally cannot wait to go.
So cool. Actually, I wonder if we get on the monorail. Girl. Woo-wee.
Here's Narcoossee's or whatever it's called.
Good job, Joe. I love seeing all this.
Is this where the boat is then? The boat launch? It does smell pretty good out here. Oh, here's a more up close view of the castle there. Oh yeah, there's the nice little boat launch. Bloop. Nice. We're on the monorail. Swing by the castle. We're passing right by the castle. No way.
I tried so hard to pull it up.
I know.
I was trying so hard.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's so fun. They should get rid of these.
I know.
Wait a minute. Now we turn over.
Stop is the Transportation and Pizza Center with continuing service to the Polynesian Village and Grand
So Main
Floridian
Street
Resort.
and the
We're
castle.
considering Disney's
Now
contemporary
we're at
resort.
Contemporary. Oh, this is awesome.
I know, it's so cool.
Oh, they have cute little stores. Oh, and there's a game station.
So yeah, let's go see the thing with the minute. Come on.
Aww.
We can't get all that.
Oh, this is so great. I love it. Oh yeah, this hoodie. Aww. Oh, I love these shirts. That one's really cute. Oh, I love it. Oh. Yep, so we're in the Contemporary. Sir Mickey's, or Chef Mickey's is that way. There's another store this way. They have little caricatures. That's cool. Oh, I have that one at home.
This is This is so dangerous. I told myself I wouldn't buy anything, like really buy anything until like I got my discount.
Yeah, you have to wait. We can always
I
come
know,
back.
I'm gonna so try.
I just have to look at the pens over here. Oh, and the dog bowls. I want one so bad. Lots of pins and keychains. My favorite. I love them. I love all the different countries. There's Chef Mickey's. It says BVG. I don't know what that means, but oh, Joffrey's 50th blend. Oh, I want these. That's cute. This is so amazing. So beautiful, actually, being here. We're home. Someone said welcome home today to me. We're right outside a Contemporary. There's Space Mountain right there. There's the castle. It's a lot closer than it looks. Yeah, there's the Contemporary right behind us. We're gonna be watching it now soon, like an hour. Literally look how close this is though. Alright, it's blurry. Isn't that crazy how close it is? This will be the best view. Oh, and the monorail's right over us. Yeah. Ooh, monorail's here. Going to watch fireworks at Polynesian now. We're going back there. I like this resort a lot. It's pretty. I just really like, are these like the rooms up here then, right?
I think so, yeah.
And then they have like the little Incredibles people, characters. See if I can get one. No,
I
can't.
like the windows too, like huge glass windows. I don't know.
Yeah, it's so cool. It's awesome. Oh, where am I going? Oh, is it this way?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like walking into nothing. We're back at the Polynesian. There's the Kona Cafe, Moana Mercantile. Oh, the little turtles. Those are so cute. I haven't been up to this level. It's cute.
I know, I kind of forgot what's even up here.
I know. So we gotta go down one. Oh, there's the, is that, oh, Ohana, that's a restaurant, right? Cool. I don't know where this, are there stairs or no? It's fine, I'll take that elevator. We're in the Polynesian gift shop. It smells so good in the lobby. So good. So good. It smells like flowers and sweet nectar. It's so beautiful. So nice. And then we'll go outside on the beach and watch the fireworks. Today's a fun day. Aw, look at those ears. Duffy and Friends. Apparently this is Duffy's friend. I want him. Aww. Oh my god, I want this. getting her